In this video, let's unbox this budget killer smartphone, that is the Micromax in 1B smartphone, which is made in India.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to our channel Dr. Technosaurus NDL. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such kind of videos. So in this video, let's unbox this budget killer smartphone. This particular variant costed me 7,999. There is also another variant which costs 6,999, which comes with 3GB 32GB storage and with Android Go. As you can see, the box looks simple and bold without any flashy colors. On the top there are some barcode and stuff. On the back side of the box there are some specs of the phone, like it says MediaTek Helio G35, 15.6cm mini drop full screen display, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual back camera and a large 5000 ampere marathon battery. And especially this smartphone is a made in India smartphone. So now let's ultimately unbox this budget killer smartphone, that is the Micromax in 1B by Micromax. As we can see, this is the phone. The phone seems to look a bit taller. This phone is of a blue color variant. So now let's unwrap the plastic on the phone. This particular phone is available in 3 different colors, which are blue, green and purple. And as said before, there are 2 different variants, which are 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB variant. The hand feel of the phone is really good and solid. Back of the phone is made of plastic. It creates a weird irritating sound if you rub your nails on the back side of the phone. Here we get a fingerprint sensor. And on the back side of the phone we get a dual camera setup, which consists of 13 plus 2 megapixel cameras with a flashlight and as usual a fingerprint. The speaker outlet here is given on the back side of the phone instead of bottom. Here is the branding of the mobile. Now on the right side of the phone we can find a power on button and volume rocker buttons. On the top we don't find any IR blaster or secondary mic given. Here is the earpiece speaker and an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. On the bottom side of the phone we can find a 3mm audio jack, a microphone and Type-C charging port. And finally on the left side of the phone we can find the SIM slot and a dedicated Google Assistant button. So now let's fire up this baby. The looks of the phone is pretty decent, even though it does not comes with a full HD display. The phone is booting up. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the box and see what are the things that we get with the phone. In the box we can find a SIM ejector tool. There is also a screen protector in the box and some instruction guide. For now there is no protective case given with the phone in the box, but later we can get the protective case for the phone from Micromax for free. I will let you know that in another video. So this is the charger that we get in the box. The output of the charger is 5 volt 2000 ampere, which means this is a 10 watt charger. We also do get a Type-C charging data cable. Quality of the cable is decent for this price range. The charger that I got in the box had a small dent in it. As a tech reviewer, I would suggest Micromax to improve their quality and finishing of their products. And one more thing, there is no official information by Micromax for the glass used in Micromax in 1B mobile. Now we must set up the mobile. After setting up the mobile completely, let's have a sound test of this mobile. Now I would be playing our own channel's video to check the sound quality of this mobile. Let me maximize the volume of the phone. In In this video, let's unbox and review the Bolt Bass Buds wired earphones.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to our channel Dr. Technosaurus NDL, and if you are watching this on YouTube, the sound in the speaker is pretty loud and we can say that this would be a good deal for 8K. Bye bye and meet you in the next video.